Here are some of the hardest Edexcel inequalities questions. Do you know how to tackle this one? So we've actually been given two inequalities to solve here. N is an integer such that 3n plus 2 is less than or equal to 14, and at the same time, 6n over n squared plus 5 is greater than 1. Find all the possible values, actual values, of n. So first I need to solve both inequalities separately. The first one's a bit easier because it's a linear one. So I just need to solve it like any other equation. Just get n on its own. So 3n would be less than or equal to 12, and therefore n would be less than or equal to 4. The second one's a bit harder. As you see, we've got an n squared. It's going to be a quadratic. First of all, I want to get rid of the fraction, so I'm going to multiply by the denominator. Then because it's a quadratic, I want to move everything to the side where n squared is positive. So I'm going to move 6n. Because it's a quadratic, I'm now going to factorize it. But now I'm just going to put equals to 0 so that when we solve it, we're just looking at values rather than worrying about the inequalities. So n is obviously either 1 or 5. Now is when I need to put the inequality back in. Because the inequality symbol is facing the 0 and away from the quadratic, that tells me I need to give my answer as a range. So n must be between 1 and 5. Now that I've got my two separate inequalities, I can just give a list of values that would work for both. If you can visualize it already, that's great. If not, you can always sketch a number line to help you. So n is less than or equal to 4 would look a bit like this, and n is between 1 and 5 would look a bit like this. Therefore, the overlap would be these three values. So this one, they've asked us for the possible values, i.e. list them. So that would be 2, 3, and 4. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out the GCSE Maths Pro YouTube channel where you can find full videos going through everything that we've just seen.